Billy hummed beside his fruit stand, filled with ordinary apples. Suddenly, a spaceship landed. Out came Maki, a blue alien with 3 eyes.
I seek rare fruits.
Maki chirped. Billy's eyes widened.
I only have these.
Maki's eyes lit up.
Apples. Fascinating.
He took a bite, and his eyes swirled.
Earthlings are brave.
Billy grinned.
I can get rarer fruits, but it'll cost you.
Maki chuckled.
A fair trade. What do you want?
Seeds.
Billy exclaimed.
Seeds from your world.
Maki smiled and gave him a strange vial.
These seeds will show you wonders.
Billy planted the seeds, and soon, strange and beautiful plants grew. He tasted a stargazer fruit and saw alien worlds and creatures unlike anything he knew. News of Billy's magical fruit spread quickly. People wanted a taste of the extraordinary. Even grumpy Mr. Prune wrote poems after a moonbeam fruit. Billy's stand became a meeting place for aliens and humans, sharing stories and laughter. They learned about each other's worlds, and Billy realized something important: the friendships, the joy, the moment. Those were the real treasures, more valuable than any fruit. One day, Maki returned, his eyes shining.
Your fruits brought us together.
He chirped.
And you taught us a valuable lesson. The true value lies in the journey we share.
Billy smiled, knowing this was just the beginning of many more adventures. You don't need to see what everyone else does to know what no one else can. If you can't make fun of your own beliefs, how can you be right?